So the chances of another crypto crash here in 2022 is very likely. It's very high. And we're going to go over some of the reasons why in this video. A top crypto analyst who predicted, and I mean nailed, the Bitcoin collapse this year, the first one, issues another warning, says a fresh crypto crash is imminent here in 2022. It's time for us to prepare now for the worst. Obviously, we always hope for the best, but preparing for the worst sets us up for great opportunities in the future, which I still have a lot of high conviction in crypto long term. But let's jump into this fresh crypto crash right after this. So, an anonymous source on Twitter nailed the first Bitcoin collapse this year. Of course, a Bitcoin collapse means a crypto crash. And he says that a fresh Bitcoin crash is imminent, which, of course, would drive prices lower for our favorite altcoins as well. So, a closely tracked crypto strategist who accurately predicted Bitcoin's correction below 30,000 says it's almost time for another fresh 2022 low. Now, he's looking at a key psychological price area of 20,000. The fact that Bitcoin was not able to withstand that level and stay above it, it suggests that another sell-off event is imminent. He says, and I quote, "It's time." This is exactly what has happened. Support to resistance flip, another bull trap, strong rejection, and straight to new lows. Now, if we zoom into this figure that he has here in this article, he's predicting for us to get back down to $16,220 in between that range, and to the low side, $15,819, right in this range for Bitcoin. So we've probably heard that number. If you've been locked into cryptocurrency news, 16K, well, that figure is right in the middle of this price area. Now, Capo, which is the name he goes by on Twitter, says Bitcoin looks poised to dip below its yearly low of around 17.6. BTC, more accurate projected roadmap for the potential local bottom formation is around 16,000. So many people were hoping that 17.6 was the low. Well, we could be looking at one more big sell-off. Hopefully that's the last sell-off before we start heading upwards again. Here is a projected model right here. The big sell-off going down to 16, and then from there, starting to retrace as we move up in July. He's predicting in July we'll hit down here at this local bottom, and then we are heading upwards from there. So he's saying that this could be the last big dump before people start accumulating Bitcoin and, of course, all the alts as well. He also adds that his expected Bitcoin correction could bring about a massive devaluation in the altcoin markets, expecting 45 to 50% drops, still further drops on altcoins from current prices. 45 to 50% drops from current prices. What does this mean? It means we have to prepare. And if we are prepared, we are keeping as much cash as we can on the sidelines. We are saving what we can to reinvest into the markets. We are finding side hustles to make extra money. Everybody's been there. Life is brutal right now with recessions looming across the world, with inflation running rampant, but we can still seek out opportunities during these times. And it's up to us to do what we can to have dry powder on the sidelines and get ready for another big dip. And if we can be prepared, this could be setting us up for huge, huge gains in the future. That's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know what you're thinking about all this down below. Are you prepared for the next big crypto crash, perhaps the last one of 2022? Let me know what you're thinking about all this down below. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of it, the long weekend here in the States, and I will see you all very soon. Take care.